Hey guys, welcome back. So we are finally, after I don't even know how long, like months of me talking about doing my wishlist video, today we're gonna do it. So welcome to the wishlist video. I don't really feel like I have too much on my wishlist. I mean, obviously I say that and like you guys are gonna hear it and be like, if you guys follow me on Instagram, which if you don't already, you definitely should. It's just the Katie Danger. I post every single day over there. I definitely do a lot of reels, some outfit of the day pictures. So I would say follow me over there if you have not already. But if you do, you might already know what some of these things are. You might be surprised. You might be surprised either way. You might know either way. You know, who knows? So without further ado, if you guys, what is this? If you guys want to know what is on my 2022 luxury wish list, then please just keep on watching. But wait, you already know what I'm gonna say. If you're not already subscribed, explain yourself. I post pretty often. It's usually twice a week. We're gonna say I post twice a week. I have a schedule. I think I've mentioned this already. I have a schedule. Like she's right there. I just have to actually grab her and actually achieve that. But I do definitely post twice a week. So if you like luxury, if you like fashion, if you like handbags, if you like jewelry, come on, take a seat. But with that out of the way, let's roll into the wish lists. So I am going to be looking at my phone because obviously that's where I have my wish list. And I'm not saying that every single thing that I purchase is going to be from a wish list. And I'm not saying that I'm going to get all of the things that are on the wish list. Definitely not, actually. I'm 100% saying that that's not going to happen. I get distracted super easily. So then I'll buy like just random stuff that is not on my wish list. I'm like Doug in Up and he's like squirrel. So I'm going to start with handbags because there's really not that many handbags on this, surprisingly, because like I said, handbags are my favorite. It's definitely the thing that I look forward to buying the most. The first handbag that I want, and probably the next handbag purchase that I will make, I don't know when that will be, but definitely the next handbag purchase that I want to make is a baby pink Chanel bag. I do have obviously this like medium tone pink mini rectangle. I love this bag. This is actually one of my most used bags. I just feel like a baby pink counterpart would just, this is where she needs to be, you know, right here, chilling with her pink sister. My favorite pink that I have seen Chanel release, at least in the baby pink category, is the 22P baby pink. You guys know, if you know, you know. That light pink is so beautiful. It's like cool tone and gorgeous. I also don't know which bag I would want it to be. I definitely want another cocoa handle in this small size. So if I got the baby pink bag in this color, that will kind of just tick two things off the wish list. We don't know which one it's gonna be, but that is definitely the next Chanel bag on my wish list. Another bag that I'm gonna need is a boy bag. I did used to have two different Chanel boy bags. I will pop pictures of the two bags that I had here. They were both in the old medium size, and I kind of really want a small size. I got rid of those two, obviously. I did sell those two, and if you guys didn't see the bags I sold and why, I will link it in the cards right here. But part 1 and part 2, actually. I definitely want to get a small size. Again, I don't know what color I would get. No idea. But I definitely do want a boy bag because I do really love the boy bag. I know not everybody is into it. Some people think it's really dated and like not the vibe. I'm not one of those people. I actually really love that bag. I also really want a Lady Dior bag. And I know we talked about this also in my bags that I sold video, which like I said, will be linked up above. But I had a Lady Dior. It was in gray and it was kind of not my kind of gray. Like that gray was just not it for me. I don't know what color I wanted in. Obviously, I'm not very good at this wish list. Like I need to be more specific about these things. Everybody else is like, I want this in this color, this hardware. I don't know. When the bag comes, I will know. So like generally speaking, I know I want a cocoa handle. I know I want a baby pink bag. And I know I want a Lady Dior. But you know, the rest, we're just gonna have to let that happen, you know? We're gonna have to let the universe figure that out for us, okay? I would only buy the Lady Dior in the ABC small size, and that is the size that I had my gray one in. That is my favorite size because I love the strap that comes with it. If the mini came with the strap that the small ABC one comes with, I would be in for that. So Dior, if you're watching, which we all know you're not, get on that. Let's step into the realm of things that are definitely not gonna happen. I want a Birkin, I want a Kelly, and I want a Constance. I would say my favorite colors for a Birkin are a taupe. I freaking love a taupe. Etain, gold, of course. I mean, let's be honest, I would accept anything. I would accept literally any color. I definitely want a black Kelly. I would take, I would take other things too, but like my top wish list for a Kelly is an Epsom Kelly 25 in black. I don't really care about the hardware too much. If I haven't mentioned this yet, I haven't started any Hermes anything. I have never been to an Hermes store no, I ordered this online. Yeah, I've never been to an Hermes store in my life. So one day I will start. One day I will be a customer, and then I will put all of these ridiculous requests in. But it's gonna be on the wish list because it technically is. I wish it, so it's on the wish list. I also need to mention I would not accept any of those bags in any of those combos if it was in Clement's leather. I do not like Clement's leather. I don't. For my Constance, I definitely want a 24 size. For me, the Constance 24 just looks better than the Constance 18, like more proportionate maybe is what I'm trying to say. I really love the color Rose Extreme. That's my favorite pink color from Hermes. Or Rose Sakura, obviously, or Mauve Sylvestre, if that's how you say it. I don't know how to say anything. This is my first day speaking, okay? I love Vert Jade. I love Blue Zanzibar. I love all the colors. I love all the colors. I love lime. Oh my God. And a Constance, that like bright ass yellow color. Oh my God. Rouge H. I love that color. That burgundy, like deep wine. Oh, I love that color. I would definitely take that also in a Constance. I also obviously want a mini Kelly, but that kind of goes together with the Kelly. The mini Kelly I would accept in literally any color. I don't care what color it is, except maybe purple. I don't really like purple bags that much, so I probably wouldn't take a purple mini Kelly, but pretty much any other color, bring it on. So that is it for bags. Even though I said there was not a lot of bags, I feel like I've been talking for 45 minutes. Let's move on to jewelry. I do want 1 or 2 more bracelets from Van Cleef. I definitely want the mother of pearl. I feel like having the black onyx and the white mother of pearl kind of contrasting with each other, and then this one is like a little complementary. Like that would look so cute. For the next bracelet, I'm thinking I either want the tiger's eye, because I feel like that would also complement everything really well, or the hammered gold, like the vintage version of this one in the yellow gold. I feel like that would also be really cute. Either one, I talked to my essay about it, I would definitely have to order it and it would take a couple of months to come in. Along with that, from Cartier, I want a Juste un Clou bracelet. I definitely want the slim version. I do not like the large version. I feel like it takes up half of your arm, but I don't know if I want it with diamonds or without diamonds. I always thought I wanted it with diamonds, but I feel like if I'm gonna have like 35 Van Cleef bracelets, like maybe I should calm down and get one without diamonds. I don't know. I'm still thinking about it. On the same jewelry wavelength here, I want a new Michelle watch. I just think that they're super cute. I'm wearing one right now. This one is the first one that I got, actually. Elver bought this for me. The rectangular shape of Michelle is just super, I don't know, it's like feminine and girly, but at the same time, kind of masculine. So I really like it. So I want another Michelle watch, but I want it to be completely yellow gold, and I do want it to have diamonds on the outer bezel situation. I don't know when I will get it, because I mean, I already have 2, like how many do I really need? But I just feel like having an all yellow gold watch is super classy, and I feel like it would be really nice to use for like dressing up to go out and stuff, Moving on, there are a couple of pairs of shoes, and then I promise you the wish list is over. I really want these Rene Calvilla. I don't know how to say that, so I know I said that wrong. I am sorry. You can correct me if you'd like. They're gold, but they're like a snake, and it goes like all the way up your leg, and it is the coolest thing ever. I'll put a picture of the shoes I'm talking about right here. I want these shoes in the worst way. I obviously have designer shoes, but I'm like, it's getting harder for me to justify them, because I'm like, when am I gonna wear these? Like, I would wear them to like 3 parties a year, and they're like $1,000 more, actually, I think. So it's like the cost per wear, like she's not there. She's not present. So I just don't know. That's why I haven't gotten them yet. But let me know what you guys think of these shoes. Along with that, I really want a pair of Oran sandals. I want white Orans because I need white shoes, and white goes with everything, mostly. mostly everything. So the cost per wear would definitely be there, and it's, you know, we're in July now, so it would just be the perfect time for me to get them now. But my problem is the sole of the white Oran sandals is white. I can picture how dirty those are gonna be after like 1.5 wears. Like I can see it now. It doesn't matter how much scrubbing you do to your feet, how much you scrub the shoes, they're gonna get dirty as hell. I wanna buy them, and everyone says that they're the best freaking sandals in the world, and I want to believe you, but I just cannot, I can't pull the trigger. And then, cause I just like, I picture the dirt, my man. Last pair of shoes on my wish list, and these have been on my wish list since, like, I don't know, their release. The Dior B27. Cassie Thorpe has these sneakers, and I freaking love them. I feel like I've been talking about her a lot on my channel recently, now that I think about it. I don't know what color I would want, because obviously I want to check them out in store. Once I figure out what color, we will be in there. One last thing I want to throw in here, and I'm just like tagging it along at the end because it's kind of random. It doesn't really go with anything else that I was talking about. I want an Hermes Kelly belt. I think I want it in white, or I want it in a taupe, or I want it in gold. The whole point for me would be to wear like a flowy dress and then kind of cinch it in at the waist, because it's kind of necessary. You know, if you're wearing like a big old dress, you don't want to look like you're a ghost in Halloween, like, ooh, you know. I'm just trying to figure out which one of those colors would go the best with most things. I feel like a taupe would probably go with most things. A taupe is one of the most beautiful colors I've ever seen. Clearly, if you can't tell, I really love that color. So yeah, I'm still figuring out what color I want in the Kelly belt, and I also love that you can adjust it. So if you wanted to wear it on your waist, you can. If you wanted to wear it like closer to like your hip area, you can. Like you can wear it wherever you want because it's adjustable, and I love that about it. So that is kind of like the last little piece, the last little homie that I definitely want to add to my collection. So that is it for this video. I feel like that was a really long wish list video. Let me know what your favorite thing from this wish list video is. Let me know what is on your wish list. I'm so interested. I mean, these are like my favorite types of videos to watch, so I definitely am super curious to know what is on your wish list. What do you want to buy this year? What have you already bought this year? But yeah, that is it for today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. Please don't forget to give it a thumbs up if you did like it. Don't forget to subscribe if you're not already. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram. I post every single day over there. And with that being said, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye. I don't know.